Helps to soothe the scalp and skin irritations. Intense replenishing conditioning treatment for chemically or environmentally stressed hair. Will not weigh down the hair. Model number AD 387. Eufora Urgent Repair Replenishing Treatment is an intense replenishing conditioning treatment for chemically or environmentally stressed hair. Regular use helps restores the inner structure, bringing back health and vitality to dry and damaged hair. Will not weigh down the hair. Advanced formulation restores vibrancy to dry and damaged hair. Helps to soothe the scalp and skin irritations. Ingredients: aloe barbadensis leaf juice, cetyl alcohol, glyceryl stearate, dicetyldimonium chloride, CETETH2, Stearamidopropyl, dimethylamine, Stearalkonium chloride, hydrolyzed quinoa, hydrolyzed soy protein, wheat amino acids, Hydroxyethylcellulose, Glycol stearate, PEG 100 stearate, citric acid, Panthenol, Menthol, Passiflor Edulis fruit extract, citrus limon, lemon, fruit extract, Camphor, Lawsonia Inermis, Henna, extract, Aquizolum hyarinate extract, Chamomilla rachita, Matricaria, flower extract, Urtica dioica, nettle, leaf extract, glycerin, butylene glycol, stearyl alcohol, sodium benzenate, phenoxyethanol, caprolol glycol, chlorphenicin, parfum, fragrance, limonene. Directions: daily use. Work through cleansed hair. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse with cooler water. Treatment: apply a liberal amount to cleansed hair. Leave on for up to 15 minutes. Rinse with cooler water. Top reviews from the United States. Great scalp treatment. This conditioner feels great, so soothing on your scalp. If you massage in and let it sit, then rinse with cool water, it feels wonderful. It makes your hair very soft too.